Many people building AI workflows make the same mistake. They dump everything into the context and hope AI will figure it out. Today, I'll show you why that's actually working against you and walk through exactly how I structure context for a real workflow, step by step. Hi, I'm Michele, welcome to the channel, and this video is part of a full series on AI workflow with Cloud Code. If you don't want to miss the other videos, I just leave the link in the description. In this episode, we will cover the building of the context file for our example workflow. And if you saw the other video, we were building this workflow that allows us to qualify a list of contacts, and for the qualified contacts, we will write a personalized message. So we will write the context for this particular workflow. Most people think more context equal smarter AI. So they passed in everything, every doc, every note, every past conversation, assuming the AI will sort out what's relevant. With this approach, there are three main problems. First, privacy risk. Every piece of content you add gets sent to your AI provider. If the AI doesn't need a piece of information to do its job, there is no reason to expose it. Point. Second, cost. Context window equal tokens equal money. Bigger context, more tokens on every single call. That's a direct ongoing cost. And this scales with every run of your workflow, not just one. 3. Hallucination. This is the big one. The more context you throw at the model, the harder it is for it to stay focused on what actually matters. Signal gets buried in noise, and the AI starts guessing. The takeaway: good context should be small, free of sensitive info, and short specific about exactly what you want the AI to do. Let's bridge from theory to practice. Quick recap of the workflow this series is building. A system that qualifies leads and then writes personalized outreach messages. Today's job: build the context layer that powers two parts of the workflow. First, ideal customer profile, that is the qualification criteria. Number two, the offer definition. What we are actually offering, what we are actually pitching to our ideal customer profile. As first, write them roughly through your notes. Who it is for. So for example, in our case, let's choose companies with at least 15 years old. So we want mature company, not AI native from day one. We want they are in manufacturing industry, and I want to target a team in operation, administration, sales, and buyers. The company size is roughly 10 to 40 people, and I want to exclude IT companies, marketing company, AI or automation companies that are out of our target. Would be also very good to choose your mother language, for example, in my case, Italian, but for this example, I will keep English. And now the notes around the offer. So what we are actually offering, pitching to this ideal customer profile. So in my case, an example is a free 45 minutes one-to-one call on how to improve the capability of existing team in administration, operation, sales, and buyers using AI. So why they should matter about this? Because it helps them to avoid falling behind on AI adoption. So they don't want to be left behind with AI. They want to protect their competitiveness, helping the employee to leverage the AI in their daily activities. And also we want to boost the team output without needing to hire new people. And why they should take this opportunity, why they should consider me as a potential person for helping them on this, because I have a track record helping tens of professionals to adopt AI, and because I cut through hype noise around AI, and I very focus on the practical application of this new technology. So as you see, this is very sharp, and there is not fluff or many information, because we wanna the AI focus on few important things. Now let's see how to make this in practice in our workflow. Start from raw nodes, the one we already took. Then ask the AI, in particular already we can work on Cloud Code, and ask the AI to organize these nodes into a clean context file. An example prompt can be, using the following nodes, create a .md file in the context folder to use as a context for this project. And we do for the offer, and we do for the ideal customer profile. So we see the result is small, there is no sensitive data, and is very sharp and specific on the task we want to perform. And why we split this into two files? Because each file has a clear job. So one is for the qualification, the other is for the generation of the personalized message. Quick summary: don't dump everything into context just in case. Keep context small, private, safe, and specific. Split context by purpose. One file per job, qualification, offer. That's the best. Let the AI help you turn messy notes into clean context files. The result? Fewer hallucinations, lower cost, and better privacy. That's it for today. In the next video, we will take these context files and actually create the workflow by prompting. If this was useful, subscribe and hit like. And check the link in the description if you want to catch up on the full series from the start. See you in the next video.